So this is the 6.3 of Tim's. I'm finally going to hear what the customized exhaust sounds like. There'll be no driving it today because there's no wheels on it, and he's just changed over this brake booster. Has not connected it up yet. The previous one catastrophically failed because of the master cylinder leaking fluid into it. It ruined it, so it just turned into a massive vacuum leak. So hopefully this one's a bit better. It looks kind of shit because he's painted it in miracle paint. I don't have much faith in this booster because the master cylinder that was on it from the donor car was leaking as well, so it's probably not long for this world. So this system is fully customized. It has rather ridiculously sized tips. It's a straight 3-inch system. And surprisingly, it's not too loud. It is not mandrel bent. Unfortunately, it is welded in sections. Yeah, let's hear what it sounds like. If it starts. There is an oddly mechanical noise from this engine. It does not sound right. Fortunately, this is the side that's easy to remove. The other side is a bit of a nightmare, presumably because the battery and whatnot is in the way over there. Yeah, this side should come out pretty easily. Fortunately, these AC hoses are new, so they're nice and flexible, and no doubt long enough to give plenty of clearance.
That remains to be seen.
Just a few gentle love taps with his rubber mallet and it's now ready to come off. Well, almost.
Easier said than done, of course.
Here she comes. Yeah, we noticed that there was no oil going onto this lobe here. It's kind of started to get scratched up, but hopefully the damage isn't too catastrophic. So there's something wrong with this oiler tube. Maybe the little hole is blocked. We will have a look at that now. The other thing discovered, the chain tensioner is kind of rooted. It's not actually tensioning the chain properly, so it's flapping around in the breeze. Well, it's a good thing we heard these concerning noises before he drove it too much longer. As soon as I heard that, I said, shut it down, something's not right. So now he's gonna have to pull it apart and see what else needs to be attended to. I recommended also opening the other valve cover and just double checking that the holes in these cam oiler tubes are not blocked up. It's been rebuilt, this engine, so there's possibly crap in the oil passages that may have worked its way up there. I mean, it is cleaned out as part of the process, but you never know. And definitely the oil was not going on that lobe, it was going off to the side, so that ain't right. Well, that was somewhat anticlimactic, but I'm sure he will have it working again soon enough. And hopefully we can take it for a test drive with a decent exhaust on it.